What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at this right here, right there, the DROCON Mirage. It's a real Mirage, you can tell. Look at that, sweet. It's got altitude hold, flips, you know, all the standard fare that these types of quadcopters have. So let's get it out of the box and check it out. All right, here it is out of the box, and I left out the little dastardly screw that goes there. I didn't put it back, and I never will. But you see it takes two AAA batteries, and the quadcopter fits inside here like that, see? So that's pretty cool. Pop it out of there, it just unfolds. Now I looked high and low for the battery size, but I could not find any information on the battery size. But I'm going to show you the quadcopter itself right there. It's nice. Spin it around here. The DROCON. It's classic. It's a legend. There's the charge port, and here's the charge cable. It's one of those little pin charge deals. And then there's the on and off button right there. But I will tell you, they give you... they go above and beyond the Call of Duty with the prop guards. So you get 8 prop guards, which I don't even know how you break one of these. And you get 2 spare sets of props, which I can see somebody tearing up the props. But the prop guards, they even give you double sets of those, plus a screwdriver. You know, the complimentary screwdriver. So let's just take it off in here for a minute. Then we'll take it outside and fly it in the parking lot and see how it flies out there. Yeah, there's not a lot to it. It's just a toy. It's a toy quadcopter. This is the good ones now. These are the good kind. You don't have GPS, which is what I hate with toy quadcopters. I cannot stand toy quadcopters with GPS. I just absolutely loathe those things. Okay, so we turn that on. I don't think I had to bind it. I think it just does. I think it just does it itself and then tells you it's ready. Gives you a little warning. Let me see if we level calibration here somewhere. Okay, down and to the right. Now on the transmitter, you'll see trim left, trim right, forward and back trim, take off and land button. You got your spin button here, 1 key return, headless mode, speed, and stunts over here. So let's just take off in here for a minute and we'll check it out. Oh, it almost hit the cow. Okay. Looks great. Steers pretty nice. There's the third rate. Okay, that was inevitable, messing around with the third rate like that. But that's okay. It survived. All right, let's take it out and fly it. We're here with the DROCON Mirage. It's the Mirage. Yay. Let's get the third rate cooking. Wow, it's fast, super fast. I'm gonna slow it down. Super quick. Wow. Flies nice, has a little bit of oversteer to it. but not as bad as some. Let me slow it down here a little bit to see if I can stop so much of that oversteer. Put it down in the first rate. There's the flips. Okay. Yeah, the first rate it flies a lot more stable. As you see right here, it's actually, this is fast enough. I mean, that third rate is for zooming, but you know, it's going so fast you're going to oversteer the quadcopter. So oh yeah, this first rate's plenty fast enough. For like a little area like this or in the house, yeah, you definitely just want to keep it in the first rate for the house. No doubt. Oh yeah, this thing flies great. Now that I got that part. Okay, so let me go and hit this little spin button here. It says spin revolve. You can just imagine what that's gonna do. That's what I thought it was gonna do. Okay, it's just gonna spin in circles. And then you just tap any stick or whatever to disable that from happening. So it's not really a quality type of a stunt there. It just spins, you know, really nothing to it. I will put the flight time in there as I always do. Yeah, flies really nice. This first rate, yeah. Keep it in the first rate, flies great. Second rate, third rate, it's a little too fast. And you'll get that oversteer in there and you don't want that. Because then you might crash, especially if it's a younger person. Younger person, definitely first rate, no doubt. Let me take a look here with this, it's not drifting at all. I did the level calibration and you see that it's holding pretty dang steady there. So I did the level calibration and it held steady from there on out. Let me see. Okay, I'll hit the 1 key return, which we all know what that is. For toy quads, that's just going backwards. Let's just see if it does it. Here it comes. Okay. Here it comes again. So it'll come backwards. It ain't coming back if you're facing the other direction, but it'll go backwards. Yeah, real nice. Flies great. Dang, I got 2 good ones in a row. The Nehemi and the DROCON. The Mirage. Yeah, this is really nice toy. Really nice toy. Now this thing here is exactly what I was talking in that video about the toy market. This is the toy market now. This is the good stuff in the toy market now. Those GPS toy drones are garbage. Every one of them's a pile of junk. Don't buy them. Believe me, don't buy those things. They're junk. Wow, very nice. Very nice. And it's still flipping. Okay, that flips is over now. Okay, as soon as I do that, it does one flip. It says, "Oh, okay, my battery's getting weak. I'm done flipping for you." Okay, I'm real happy with this thing, man. Real happy. Wow. Real happy. Oh, now it did another flip. I guess maybe you can't do consecutive flips. Okay, so we're still cooking. We're still flying. Uh-oh. There's the low battery warning. Oh, and it's gonna do that that beeping. Oh yeah. Everybody loves that, right? Okay, so because it's gonna keep doing that, I'm gonna land it. Okay, guys, I'll put the flight time in there. Oh, shut up. Okay. All right, guys, there you go. The DROCON Mirage. Nice toy, man. Real nice toy. Cheap, too. Great indoor fun out in the backyard. Great backyard flyer. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.